Hey guys, it's Lee. It's only one more week until Christmas, and of course, my tiny tinkles are in bloom. They're late this year. I guess they didn't do too well. I didn't really take enough care for my tiny twinkles this year. Didn't refill the water. It was sitting dry for a week. The pseudobulbs would shrivel and shrink. But yeah, it is still in bloom. I think I counted like 13 spikes or something. Not as many as I did the other time when I had 27 spikes, but after all, it's still blooming. Let's look at the flowers. Those tiny, tiny flowers. And that super, super sweet vanilla-like fragrance, which I like very, very much. Look at all these flowers. I mean, I had better blooms, but for the little care I gave this one, I'm quite happy. You can see the leaves were still affected from the last pest. It's just sitting in water and some sphagnum moss, but mostly water. And yeah, in the summertime, you do have to refill it, or at least I have to refill it like 3 times a week. And I just didn't follow the schedule. I just waited for the suitable to shrivel, and well, then they yeah. And then I gave it some water, and then it plumped. The pseudobulbs plumped back it up, but shouldn't have done it. And it's not getting the amount of light it used to get. It used to sit directly under artificial light, but there wasn't much space. And instead of directly under artificial light, I put it one rack below with, which is less light, of course, because the light is up there. Yeah, but it does get some light from the window too. So as I said time and again, if you want an orchid that's easy to grow and has a wonderful, strong, sweet fragrance, go for the Oncidium Tiny Twinkles. It only blooms once a year for me, but when it blooms, it's just so pretty. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a wonderful holiday season.